Hello friends, good afternoon from sunny Southern California. This is David talking to you with David Yacht Service. And if you recognize this motor we're looking at right now, then you probably know somebody with a Columbia 34 sailboat. Because why? Because, well, they used a lot of these in Columbia 34s. A Palmer 60 V-Drive. And, you know, why not? Take a tractor motor made by none other than International Harvester, famous in the United States. And you get that for your sailboat. And then you talk to Paragon, maker of transmissions. Have them make you up a transmission with some reversing gear, neutral, and forward. And then what? Well, you get a hold of Walter and have Walter V-Drives make you up a V-Drive unit like this one here. Got a 2-to-1 reduction, and you get all done, and guess what? You get to put the engine in the boat backwards. And when you do that, you can really open up the salon. And if you've been on a Columbia 34, you know that's what happens. Anyway, I have rebuilt this one, and you notice it's in this beautiful little cradle because it's about to be shipped out to Florida. Somebody who needs one there and has made a deal with me to buy this one. So I'm going to start it up here after a bit and get it running, kind of final tune it on its way to getting crated up and on its way out on a truck. So I just wanted to introduce it before we get started so you know what you're looking at, and it's a great motor. Okay, back in a minute. Well, this is running. Got no muffler on it, just an open pipe. It's a little bit noisy, but you can see the good oil pressure there. We're trying to get oil pressure. Alternator charge is fine. I checked that yesterday. And it's pretty much all set to go. I'm going to do a final check on the carburation, but other than that, everything's been checked out. Can throw her into forward gear for you. And there you go. And down underneath here, you can see a little reduction drive down there. Yeah, it's hard to beat that sound. It's not a tractor. Okay, there she is, looking beautiful and running away. And seeing all the underneath the little reversing drive. That's where the top shaft attaches. And we just check her into forward gear and reverse gear, and no problems at all. So, also got a new David Yacht Service manifold on. Notice that the DYF on it. Anyway, that's all for now. We'll talk to you later.